Here's a quick video to show you what to do if only one of your JLab earbuds is working. There could be two reasons this is happening. One is that this earbud may be charged and this one might not be. And if that's the case, you need to put it back into the case, plug it in, and let it charge up. But that's not likely. Most likely what has happened is that one earbud has paired correctly and the other one has not. And this has happened to me multiple times. To fix this, you're just going to keep the one earbud that is working in your ear, and you're going to take the other earbud and you're just going to put it back into the case, close the case up, count to maybe 10 seconds, bring it back out, give it a couple seconds, and it should automatically pair to your phone. Check out the links in the description for other troubleshooting videos about these JLab earbuds, and also a shout out to Sam of the Smoky 76 for requesting this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.